I am Paul Landecker, joined by Dr. Mark Nikkel, board-certified orthopedic surgeon with Bronson Orthopedic and Joint Specialists at 950 South Bailey Avenue in South Haven. Dr. Nikkel is trained in treating athletes with sports injuries. He's also trained in hip, knee, and shoulder joint replacement and general orthopedic care. Today, Dr. Nikkel chats with me about same-day appointments. Doctor, what happens when you receive a call for a same-day appointment?
We have a series of questions that we will ask, such as, are they already a Bronson Orthopedic and Joint Specialist patient, or they have been a patient but really need to have their injury, joint pain, or other condition looked at right away. If they are a patient, we look at the schedule to look at available appointments. If they're not a patient, we ask for basic identifying information such as address, phone number, insurance carrier. We will then ask about their symptoms to help find the most appropriate provider to treat them and let them know which location they will be seen at.
That brings the question then, if the caller is not a Bronson Orthopedic and Joint Specialist patient, but has a complex or chronic medical condition, how do you respond to that?
Well, in some of those cases, we may need to have additional information such as the medical record prior to scheduling an appointment. This helps ensure that we have the necessary information to provide patients with the right care.
Are there times when someone can't get a same-day orthopedic appointment?
In most cases, the majority of calls will have an appointment with our office staff the same day. But there's some cases, as mentioned previously, if it's a new patient with a complex or chronic condition, we may need their medical record, which may delay their same-day appointment. Also, if their insurance requires a referral from their primary care provider, it could cause a delay. Other reasons are if they call after 12 noon, they may be rescheduled for the next day. And last, if we don't take walk-ins for the same-day appointments, they must call our office to make the appointment at 269-639-2866.
Any conditions that you won't see for a same-day appointment?
No, we don't limit same-day appointments to type of conditions. It could be diagnosing a sprain, or it could be a patient who thinks they may need a joint replacement. At the same time, we will be able to take x-rays and perform other testing procedures at our office. If we feel there's an orthopedic specialist at another Bronson medical practice who would be better to diagnose and treat the patient's condition, we will set up a referral.
Are there same-day appointments for orthopedic and sports-related injuries available at other Bronson medical practices?
Yes, there are. Bronson Orthopedic Specialists in Battle Creek and Marshall, and Bronson Sports Medicine also offers same-day appointments, and it's been very successful.
People want to get more information about same-day orthopedic appointments. What's the best way to do that, Dr. Nikkel?
Additional information for same-day appointments can be found at bronsonhealth.com/same-day or 269-639-2866.
Thanks, Dr. Nikkel. Dr. Mark Nikkel, board-certified orthopedic surgeon with Bronson Orthopedic and Joint Specialists in South Haven.